Hi, welcome to DelftStack. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to list all enabled services in Linux. This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want to manage and troubleshoot services effectively. To view all enabled services, open your terminal and run the following command shown on the screen. Make sure to type everything correctly. This will display a list of all services that are currently enabled on your system. And that's it for today's tutorial on listing all enabled services using the Systemctl command in Linux. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to DelftStack for more tutorials. Check out our other videos on Linux system administration and service management. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.